Vulnerability assessment is a systematic process used to identify and evaluate weaknesses or vulnerabilities within a system, network, or application. It involves the systematic scanning, testing, and analysis of various components to uncover potential security flaws. The purpose of vulnerability assessment is to identify vulnerabilities before they are exploited by attackers. It helps organizations understand their security posture, prioritize risks, and develop strategies to mitigate vulnerabilities. Vulnerability assessments examine both technical and operational aspects, such as network configurations, software, hardware, and user behaviors. The assessment involves using specialized tools, automated scanners, and manual techniques to identify vulnerabilities. It aims to assess weaknesses in various areas, including software vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, access controls, weak encryption, and outdated patches. The process involves identifying vulnerabilities, evaluating their potential impact, and providing recommendations for remediation. Regular vulnerability assessments are crucial for maintaining a proactive security posture and ensuring ongoing protection against emerging threats. It is important to note that vulnerability assessment is just one part of the larger process of comprehensive security, which also includes measures like penetration testing and